We are almost done with chapter 9. This is 9.7. I'm going to keep this video pretty short and simple because you've learned all the skills and I really think you can do it. So, I am on page 572 if you wanted to turn there in your workbook with me, or you can just watch. Today you're going to be given tables with a missing number, so you have to find the rule to find the missing number, and then you just need to graph it. So we already did a lot of this finding out the rule and the missing number earlier. For every 2 square feet of lawn, Charlie needs 8 ounces of fertilizer. 2 square feet of lawn equals 8 ounces of fertilizer. Here it is in a table. We need to find the rule. How do we get from here to here? 2 to 8. I could add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. But remember that has to work for all the other numbers. So let's try. 4 plus 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That means I need 10 ounces of fertilizer. That's not correct. So adding isn't going to be our rule. Let's try multiplying. 2 times what is 8? 4. We are multiplying by 4 to get from there to there. Let's see if it works here. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 times 4 is 24. So it looks like our rule is to multiply by 4. Multiply the number of square feet by 4 to find the ounces of fertilizer needed. Let's figure out our blank box. 10 times 4 is 40. Now I can go ahead and graph. Here we go. 2 over 2 and up 8 over 4 up 16 over 6 up 24 over 8 up 32. And we are going to connect those lines. And that's it. Simple as that. Oh, I forgot my 10 and 40. That's also important. Let's do another one. On Mary's map, every 2 inches represents 10 miles. Here's her map. 2 inches equals 10 miles. We are looking for a pattern. Multiply the number of inches by something to find the distance in miles. So we already know that we're multiplying because it told us so. How nice are they? 2 times what is 10? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 5. 4 times what is 20? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. 5. It looks like multiplying by 5 is our pattern. So 10 times 5 is what? 50. Now we can go ahead and graph it. 2, 10. 4, 20, 6, 30, 8, 40, 10, 50. Connect those lines. Let's do one more and then I'm going to let you loose. Turn the page to page 573 to number 4 right here. Eric recorded the number of push-ups he did each minute for 4 minutes. Here's the table. We have time and the number of push-ups. Write the number pairs as ordered pairs. Remember, ordered pairs looks like that. So what would my next one be? Next one. And my last one. Graph the ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. Simple enough. Over 1, up 15. Over 2, up 30. Over 3, up 45. Over 4, up 60. Let's connect those. Write a rule to describe how the number pairs are related. So we are looking for a rule. How do we get from minutes to the number of push-ups. I want you to look close at that one. What am I doing to get from 1 to 15? You might have said add 15 because 1 plus 15 is 15. But what if we did 2 plus 15? We would get 27. Is that 27? No, so adding is not going to be our best option. Also, we would have had to add 14, not add 15. Sorry about that. Let's try multiplying though. 1 times what is 15? That would be times 15. Let's see if that works for 2. Let's come over here. 15 times 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 30. Sweet. I think we found our rule of multiply by 15. We just need to write it now. What are we multiplying by 15? Are we multiplying minutes by 15 or push-ups by 15? We are multiplying the number of minutes by 15 to find the number of push-ups. Simple enough, right? Turn to your homework page, 575. Number 1 is done for you. Number 2, you're doing the same thing we did. Multiply the number of quarts by blank to find the number of cups. Figure out what the pattern is from there to there. Write your rule up here. Graph it all. Answer this question, both of these questions. The back gives you a graph, asks you some questions about it. Let's talk about these ones down here. You are skipping number 4 and you are skipping number 6. Number 3, a biologist counted 10,000 migrant monarch butterflies. How do you express 10,000 as a power of 10? You're going to have 10 with a little exponent up there. Do your best, I just want to see what you get. Then, what is 54 and 38 hundredths plus 29 and 7 tenths? So, when we add decimals, we have to line up the decimal. If you're missing something right here, you just put a 0, because a decimal can continue on with zeros forever. Line them up and solve. Send me pictures of your completed homework. You guys rock.